get to know if it could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me.
Hi my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name's Alana. I would love for y'all to hit that subscribe button because I would love to have y'all here. And if you're returning, welcome back to my channel. Today's wig sponsor is Tinashe, so thank you to Tinashe for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, I'm really excited about this wig install in today's video because they sent me over one of their pre-cut, pre-plugged wigs, y'all. So I don't know if you guys have been on YouTube lately or TikTok or anything. The companies have been coming with something different. Their new thing now is like pre-cut lace on their wigs, and I just want to say y'all that I'm here for it. Like, you don't have to cut your wig at all. Like, it comes to you pre-plugged and pre-cut. Like, it doesn't get any better than that. All I did was put some makeup on the lace already. I just used some powder, and I did bleach the knots in this wig as well because I really want this wig to give me like a real scalp like effect. And because this is glueless, we're not gonna be using any glue. I didn't know like wigs came pre-cut already. Like, that is so amazing. It has like an interesting shape, but what I like about that is it's not just like a blunt cut lace. The way that they cut the lace is gonna give you a more natural look. Why a lot of times I use a razor to cut my lace, because I wanted to give like a jagged look. So I'm really happy they didn't just give me like a blunt cut lace look. So I think that is a plus. Also on the inside, it does have a built-in adjustable strap, and because this is glueless, we're gonna need this. So you can adjust this to how tight or loose you want it to be in the back of your head, because we need this wig to be really secure. It also has combs as well. Me personally, I don't really use these types of combs. I mainly just use the comb in the back, but if that's your preference, they do have a lot of combs in here as well. Like, these wig companies are really like stepping up their game, y'all, for sure. Especially if you're somebody who is new to it, this is perfect for y'all. See the lace? Look at that. It looks so good. Also, I didn't pluck this wig, you guys, at all I did was bleach the knots. It's that simple. Let's get on to installing this wig, you guys. This wig is a loose body wave, and I think this is 16 inches as well. I think I'm gonna go for some loose curls with this wig. Also, I think I'm gonna do a side part today, and I may or may not do baby hairs. I don't know yet, y'all, so we'll see. I think I'm gonna do a side part, so I'm gonna like shift this over a little bit on my head so I can get this to where I want it to be, and I'm just gonna part out where I want my side part to be. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did kind of like over bleach my knots a little bit, but that's okay. We're gonna fix that. But now what I'm gonna do is use my two products, y'all, that I swear by with all of my wigs. All of my wig installs, these two right here, these are the duo. Like, you're gonna see these in all of my videos. To get this part real sleek, use my GS Bomb wax stick and my hot comb. leave this headband on just for a few minutes just to help my baby hairs mold a little bit. So for my baby hairs, I just use my Evan mousse. Now we're gonna get into styling this hair, so I'm just gonna go for some loose body wave curls like I said previously. My T3 curling iron. Probably gonna cut some layers in this hair as well.